For next question is given that a man weighing 50 kgf supports a body of 20 kgf on his head. So what is the work done when he moves a distance of 20 meters up an incline of 1 in 10? So what does this incline of 1 by 1 in 10 means? So let's understand this first. So incline of 1 in 10 means that when he covers a distance of 10 meter at an inclined plane. So if he covers a distance of 10 meter on an inclined plane, the vertical distance is 1 meter. So vertical distance covered is 1 meter. So let's say this is theta and this is the perpendicular and this is the hypotenuse. So if we use a trigonometric ratio, this is sine theta is equal to 1 by 10, and we know that sine theta is given by P by H, that is equal to 1 by 10. Now it's given that he moves a distance of 20 meters. So now let's say if this distance is 20 meter. So he moves a distance of 20 meter on inclined plane. So what should be the vertical distance covered on that same inclined plane? So we will use this. In this case, so here the sine theta is equal to, this is perpendicular and this is hypotenuse, which is equal to P by H, which is equal to, here the sine theta is equal to P by H. This is P and H is 20. Now it's given that the sine theta is 1 by 10. So let's put in the respective value. It's 1 by 10, P by 20. So if we this gets cancelled and the perpendicular is 2. So that means for moving a distance of 20 meter, it covers a vertical distance 2 meter. All right, so let's draw this figure once again. And now let's say this is the distance covered on the inclined plane. This is the vertical distance covered by the man, and this is the horizontal. And we have find out that for covering a distance of 20 meter on the inclined plane, this man will cover 2 meter vertical distance. Okay, now let's say this man is moving up. So this is the man and he is moving up on the inclined plane carrying a body of 25 kgf. So 25 kgf means the mass of 25 kg. So this is the 25 kgf, and this mass is acting vertically downwards. This mass is acting vertically downwards. Also, if this man is weighing 50 kgf, that is, this is also acting vertically downwards. So the total mass that is acting vertically downwards is the mass of the man, which is 50 kg, the mass of the man, which is 50 kg, and the mass of the load, which is 25. The kgf, we know that 1 kgf is equal to 1 in 1 kgf, it's a mass of 1 kg into 9.8 meter per second square. So 25 kgf will give us a mass of 25 kg into 9.8 meter per second square. This is the force. And 50 kgf will give us a mass of 50 kg. So the total mass, now this man, if he moves upwards, he has to carry himself as well as the load. So the total load that he has to carry uh, while climbing a distance of 20 meter is 75 kg. So the total weight acting downwards is 75 kg into g, and this man has to apply the same force as the normal reaction to move upwards. So here N is equal to 75 kg into g. So this is the force that man has to apply. So force that man has to apply while moving on an inclined plane. So that is equal to this weight, and that should be the normal reaction, and that which is equal to the weight, which is 75 kg into 9.8 Newton. Okay, now this is the force that man is going to apply, and It's given that he moves a distance of 20 meter. So he moves a displacement is 20 meter. Now the work done is given by force into displacement, and because he is moving in this direction, in this along the inclined plane, so you'll have to apply this force. This is the angle that we have already calculated the vertical distance to. So this is the force normal, and this is the vertical displacement. So F into S, and the angle between this force and this vertical displacement is zero. So if we write down, this is to be the dot product of force and the vector displacement, which is equal to Fs F into S cos theta. Theta here is zero because the force is acting vertically upward, and the man is applying the force vertically upwards, and distance is also vertical. So angle between them is zero. That is theta is equal to zero. So here force is 75 into 9.8 Newton, and the displacement, vertical displacement is 2. Theta is 0, so cos 0, we know that is 1. And if you multiply this 75 into 2 is 180 into 9.8, 7 into 9.8 joule, and if you multiply 150 into 9.8, this is 150 into 9.8, that should give me 1470 joules. So this is 1470 joules should be the work done by this man to carry himself and a load of 25 kg on his head while moves a vertical distance of 20 meter up an inclined plane. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.